Probably you're wondering why Lara Croft's hunting for disease-associated DNA mutations. Actually, she's not. It's the actress Angelina Jolie. You might have heard from the press that she had her DNA sequenced so that the geneticists could look into it and find out that she's very likely to develop cancer at some stage of her life. So she undertook a treatment in order to prevent cancer developing. This is a perfect example of personalized medicine, something that can likely revolutionize the medical practice in the near future. In personalized medicine, every patient is treated individually based on the knowledge of their DNA. So the doctors can target diseases before they develop, or target diseases with specific drugs based on the knowledge of the patient's DNA. For personalized medicine to become reality, we need to be able to annotate all possible mutations in the human genome. And because of the large combinatorial space of all possible mutations, we cannot achieve this with experimental techniques. And that's where computational methods, like the one that I developed in my thesis, come into play. From the computational perspective, the annotation of the human genome comes down to separation of two classes, the disease-causing and neutral mutations. They're shown as the red and the blue dots in my slide. In my work, I use machine learning algorithms. They use a data set of known, experimentally verified mutations so that they can learn the separation of the disease-causing and neutral mutations. The learning algorithm returns a mathematical abstraction of this separation. And this mathematical abstraction allows me to calculate disease probability even for previously unseen arbitrary mutations. I applied this methodology to two specific types of mutations, nonsense and insertions and deletions. They had gone largely unstudied in the field, and there were only two other methods that can predict this disease probability. So I compared my method with related work and found that I can predict disease-causing mutations with significantly higher accuracy. This means that we have another step towards annotation of the human genome, which is the key requirement for the personalized medicine. And this is how computational methods and myself assist Lara Croft in her hunt for disease-associated DNA mutations. Thank you.